everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. And this is my day 50 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. My name is Nikita and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to say to all of you contraction. Okay guys, let's start. I am, you are, your. He plus is and he plus has. Sam, his. Okay. She plus is and she plus has. She's. It plus is, it plus has. Means it's. We are, where. They are, there. That is and that has. That's. Who is and who has is Sam whose. Whose. What is and what has. What's. Where is and where has. Where's. Why is and why has. Why's. When is and when has. When's. How is and how has. How's. Cannot, can't not. Will not, won't. Do not, don't. I hope guys you understood what is contraction, and it is the short form. It is the short form of your grammars. Okay, just like I plus am, I am. You plus are, you are. And that plus is, that's. Okay guys, and I hope this is useful video to all of us, and this is a very important to your spoken English. So guys, that's all, and meet to next video. And if you like this video, then share and subscribe. Thank you.